Hello everyone, welcome to the part 2 of how to make your own portrait. In this part, I am going to show you how to make borders for your portrait. So for this tutorial, I am taking Harry Potter's photo. You can take anyone's photo you like. So first, we will join 2 to 3 strips like this to make the border thicker. So now we will need glue and a pin to apply glue. You can also apply glue directly. So now we will take the strip and with the help of tweezers, we will put it in the shape of our face like this to make the border of our face. You can use eraser or any weight for stabilizing the strip. With the help of your thumb and tweezers, you can turn the strip to make the shape of the face. Guys, you can contact me on Instagram anytime for your queries regarding quilling. With the help of blade, cut the extra strip and be very careful while using it. So now we will apply the strip for the neck part. The same technique we will complete it. Cut the extra strip very carefully. Now we will attach the strip to ear. So now we will start with the clothes. So for the parts like collars, when you have to fold the strip, fold it like this with the help of your tweezers. Cut the extra strip. We will complete the another collar in the similar way. Similarly, we will complete all the clothes. Now we will start with the face. So we will start with eyes. You just have to border the eyes like we are drawing it. You have to be extra careful while doing this type of small things. So now for the glasses, I have made a ring using border buddy tool. As the shape of Harry's glasses is round, similarly you can complete all the borders like this. So here I am not doing the border of eyebrows, nose, hair and lips as they are too small and the hair is not straight like Mr. Bean. So guys, here is the end of our tutorial. Don't worry if your portrait is not looking good at this time. It will look amazing after completing it. I am coming with the next part in a very few days. Thank you for watching us and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.